new day, new clothes, new outfit. With that being said, today we gotta go get something for the Black Eagle. And if you read the title description, then you already know what that is. So with that being said, let's go pick up a BMW M license plate carbon fiber. Yeah, I'm kind of anxious to see what this thing looked like. Never seen it in person, so I decided to get one for Black Eagle just to see what it looked like. So we're gonna stop at my local BMW dealership, which is BMW Arrowhead out here in Arizona, and we're gonna pick up a BMW M carbon fiber license plate. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you will know when I post videos and you can stay up in the loop, and share the video. But also hitting that share button, send it to a friend who can send it to another friend to help your boy out. With that being said though, on all seriousness, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get these numbers up. I got some great content coming for you guys and I want to share it. And I just want you guys to stay in the loop. If you love BMWs, definitely hit that subscribe button. With all that being said, let's get to the video. But first, I gotta grab something. Gotta start my day with one of these right here. You know what I'm saying? So when I'm in the Eagle, Black Eagle that is, we gotta get our wings. He gotta shake his tail feather. So you know what they do. I gotta have my wings too. So I do that with a Red Bull. Let's get one more thing. Now that we got a Red Bull, I know y'all want to hear the cold start because that's what y'all asked for. So with that being said, can't have the video without a cold start. So let's get to it. All right. Thing sound good, don't it? Check out the Eagle, man. This right here is the Black Eagle. Woo-wee. Make sure y'all go to Instagram and, you know, follow your boy. Give your boy a follow. If you watching this video, go in the description below. You will see the link to my Instagram page. Go ahead and follow that. You will also see a link to M2 Black Eagle's Instagram page. It's M2_Black Eagle. But you ain't gotta worry about typing it. Just hit the description and then go down. You will see all the links to all my social media. Thank you for your support. With that being said, let's go get this BMW M carbon fiber license plate. Had to stop at the car wash again. Get this wash for the weekend. Y'all know how it is. And I know. Y'all gonna say, no, it's gonna scratch up the paint. Don't do that, don't do that. I've been coming to this one for a while now and no issues yet. So it's been all gravy. The only issues I've ever had, honestly, like I said before in the previous video, is the damn rock chips out here in Arizona. Now that messed up my damn paint. But that's gonna get rectified real soon. Now why the hell this damn thing stopped for? I don't know what the hell that was about. Now that just scared the shit out of me, I ain't gonna lie. Never had that happen before. Maybe it was cleaning the wheels. Give y'all a quick look at the interior. I don't really show the interior much. You know, you got your embroidery right there. Nice back seat space, of course. Got the embroidery back there too. Got your blue stitching. know we rocking that Adidas today. Repping with our Yeezys. These right here are not reflectors, but the shoestrings are reflective. Oh man, let me show y'all this right here. I love this thing right here, man. It keeps all my water cold for hours. This thing is the bomb. By Swell, man, definitely need to get y'all one if you don't have one. It makes your water taste so much better because it keeps the temperature just right. Anyway, let's get on. I'll probably do a quick wipe down the car, and then we'll get on to the BMW dealership to get that BMW M carbon fiber license plate. I can't wait to see that. All right, y'all. Check back with y'all soon. So y'all already know how I get down. I do my little inspections. Got little water driplets and stuff. So yeah, it came out pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Came out real good. So yeah, I'll dry these water things off, vacuum the car, and you know how I wipe my car down. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. That McGuire's Ultimate Quick Detailer with a microfiber towel. Alright, let me wipe this car down and get back with y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what the old license plate looked like before I put on a new one, so you guys will know. So yeah, I got my bachelor's degree from Chapman University, as well as my master's degree from Chapman University in Human Resource Management out in California. So yeah, but that thing looking mean, ain't it? So clean. Ooh, Eagle, you a bad motherfucker. Alright, y'all, let's go get it. Also, don't forget, do not forget. As you can see, we're pulling up the BMW Arrowhead, or shall I say Arrowhead BMW. You see it up there. Now let's go get this license plate. These are some of the things inside the BMW parts store. That's cool. Nice. Haven't been in here yet. I know I see this one, but that one's not carbon fiber. Yeah, that's the silver one.
It's just like that. It's just carbon fiber. So the only thing I can try to convince you a little bit here is this uses a tool to lock this down. Mm-hmm. I've seen in the past where people have bought this one, where the blue one I was showing you.
And it breaks or something?
No, this is just held on by finger tight screw. Let's see, because it's got screws on the front, right? It's held on with this, just a screw, finger tight, basically. You can only tighten it so tight with your fingers that I've seen it pop completely off, and they've lost this.
And this one comes with a tool?
This comes with a little, like an Allen wrench tool in it.
It looks better too. How much is the military discount?
It's 10%. So $77.
Let me get both then. I'll just go with this one. Oh, you need this one for the display, don't you?
I'll put this in the back of the display if I got one.
Thanks for the info, man. Yeah. We got the bag. So with that being said, we got the license plate, and I went ahead and got the key fob, the key holder, because I thought it was pretty fly. So once I get settled, I'll put all that stuff together, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looked like. So they hooked me up. They gave me a 20% discount. You know, normally it's 10%. I'm proud military, by the way, just in case if you anybody was wondering when I'm talking about discount. But he hooked me up with a 20% discount today. So yeah, great customer service. They had to go back to the back to get the carbon fiber license plate, but they found it, and everything was great. So let me go ahead and make some more errands, and I'll check back in with you guys in a few. All right. So yeah, I'll show you guys a before and after. But yeah, I like the way it came out. So it was pretty good. And then I'll give you guys a total price at the end of the video. But yeah, I think that thing looks great. Stand back here so you guys can get a better view. But yeah, that looks real good. Oh yeah, that looks real nice. All right, guys. So today we got the BMW M Performance key case, as well as the BMW M carbon fiber license plate. And today's total, well, the actual price was $120. They gave that to me for $110 because that's what the website said. And the key case was $70. But they gave me a military discount, 20% off. So the total balance was $160. Normally the military discount is 10%, but Arrowhead BMW hooked me up with an extra 10%, which I thought was really nice. They showed great customer service. Like I said, once again, both products came out really good. This is the key. It's like Alcantara, a little bit of carbon fiber underneath, and it has M Performance written with the blue stitching. So yeah, very impressed. Very happy with both of my purchases. So came out very well, and I got a discount. Can never go wrong with a discount. I want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Had a jam-packed day. We went and got a BMW carbon fiber M license plate. I like the way it came out. I think it gives the car a better look. Looks a little cleaner. Nothing wrong with the other license plate. I like that too. But the mods I got coming soon are gonna be better fitted with that license plate. Hence the word carbon fiber. That's a little hint. So I got a lot of more mods coming, just so you guys know. So you definitely want to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you guys can get the video as soon as it's uploaded, so you'll know. If you love BMW content, this is the channel to follow. If you like to learn about how to build wealth, this is the channel to follow. I'll be going over some things like investing in Stash app, Robinhood, stuff like that. I got some videos coming up for that. If you like sneakers, this is also the channel for you, because I love sneakers myself. So I do shoe reviews periodically, and so I'll put you guys up on that. And basically this channel is about everything that I like to do and things that I love. So with that being said, thank you guys once again for tuning in to Rituals, my channel. You guys stay positive, you guys stay great. Hit that subscribe button and join the Rich crew. And I'm gonna keep the videos coming because actually I'm enjoying it and I love it. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you with the next one. Matter of fact, I'll see you when the next one drops. How about that? All right, have a good day. Peace.